In today's video, we're going to make a video with respond to these questions. Okay, you see, how can someone study the candlestick and understand them as a beginner? Let's look at this. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, go to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. As a beginner, reading candlestick can be very difficult, but you can apply your wisdom on it, and you must not you must understand that it's not actually reliable. So if you choose a particular cryptocurrency coin of your choice, monitor those candles carefully, like this particular coin name called GYPE. You can see this particular coin have been flexible, very flexible, ups and down. And if you look at this particular cryptocurrency coin carefully, it candles varies. But first thing you must always look at as a beginner is when you see a candlestick with the sign of a hammer, meaning the hammer is down or up, like here. You can see something of this very nature. When this hammer formed up, and you realize that this hammer is no longer one, it has been added 1 2 green straight candles, then it's another good time for you to dive in, because it's a strong reversal sign. That was what happened here. You can see it. Okay, let's look for another places. Another places here, you can see something of this, still the same, something of that same nature there. This has a hammer, right, which is here, and after that it took some neutral movement, and boom, sorry, it took some star movement, and boom, it took a short again. You understand? You must concentrate on things like this. Okay, you must concentrate on things like this. Let's look out for another places again. You can see here as well. So this shows that it's a proof that that hammer, and sometimes with a star shooting, is a sign of a reversal. Okay, an upward, known as an upward trend. An upward trend. But you don't need to concentrate on only this. Okay, you have to apply this MACD indicator. How do you know this MACD indicator? You can see these two lines down here. These two lines are known as the signal lines, and the what? And the MACD lines. MACD line. So how does this actually MACD works with this hammer, or work with this candle? If you see this candle with the sign of a hammer, and you notice that the MACD line is about, or is crossing the signal line. The MACD line is the blue line, and the signal line is the yellow line. So when the MACD line is crossing the signal line, and it goes the same time with this candlestick with the sign of a hammer, then it is an accurate time for you to dive into the trade. That's an accurate time for you to dive into the trade. So looking at the candles with the hammer plus the MACD lines crossing the signal lines equal to reversal. That is an upward trend. That is an upward trend. So you must actually concentrate on these particular ones if you really want to make a successful trade. All right, so if you are getting this, please give me a thumbs up, like my videos, share my video as well. And if you are getting this, let me know at the comment sections. I'm getting this. You can just type I'm getting this, or I got this. All right, so always follow this up carefully. Let's go forward again and see. If you look at here, you can see that the MACD lines took a neutral movement with the signal lines. You can see this place. So along the lines, it took up. So each time you see a neutral movement with MACD indicators and signal line, and also a candles with some neutral movement, it also signifies a strong reversal. You can see it took a shot from here to there. So in my next class, I'm going to drop a video about these complete MACD indicators, how you can actually use these MACD lines and the signal lines to dive into a particular trade and make something rational. Okay, so as you can see, what's the fate of this very trade currently? Let's look at where this particular trade is. Maybe we should check on the 1 hour. All right, this was a pump and dump. Okay, it took a movement from where? From here, let me see. It took a movement from 0.129 to 0.19 and took a sharp down movement. Taking the sharp down movement, you can see this is the sign of a hammer formed in the next 1 hour, but the MACD indicators is going opposite it. But when you watch it carefully, at the MACD indicators becomes green, and I can see it's green right now, then there's going to be a reversal sign in the soon time. There's going to be a reversal sign in the soon time. Okay, so without a waste of time, you must learn to compare the candlesticks and the MACD indicators. Okay, the MACD indicators comprises of the signal line and the MACD lines. The signal line is the yellow line and the MACD line is the blue line. Okay, if you follow these two carefully, you're going to make a reasonable trade and cash out some rational fund. So if you do have any question about all of this, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So before we go, maybe we should stick a trade. It will be advisable. We're going to stick with 100 USD because this neutral movement between the candles, between the two MACD lines, will definitely give something reasonable. And also a hammer has been produced here already, so we're going to simply buy in addition to what we're holding already, so that we can see what will happen in the nearest time. So we're going to click on here to buy without a waste of time. So as I said earlier, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be available in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So I'm going to add 100 to this current 30. Yes, 100 to this 30. I'm going to buy at limit price. Don't forget we're investing on Guide right now. Okay, orders submitted successfully, but orders are not yet executed. Okay, orders are not yet executed. You can see the orders has been taken right here, but it's not yet executed. At this point, I can still cancel, I can still chase, I can still also modify the order. All right, so this brings me to the end. If you have any question, do not forget to drop it and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.